What was that? Oh, I don't believe you. These two. God, what is this? 13 minutes? What did I record for 13 minutes? I don't know what that is. Anyway. Yes, I have my chat popped up. And everything should easy coding, study, heal stuff. I'm a bit sick. Guess I'm not sick anymore, but oh well, it's already on there. I get the clickbait. What? Oh yes. Yes, I do. I do. I do see the hot pepper jam for Brussels sprouts. Not so delicious. What? The bot? Um, Damn, I got a lot of points on your channel. On your channel. Yeah. Twitch. What does this do? Oh. Can you pick up a beer in your hand? That's fine. I'm gonna click on drop it, so you have to drop the beer that's in your hand. No, that's why I'm asking you to hold it. That's why you have to drop it, EQ. I ain't got no bits. Come on, Hayes. I wanted to make sure I was in software. No, see it. I'm just chatting. I don't want Just chatting. What is it called? Software and development? Yes. Yes. Okay. Cool. All right, you ready? You ready? Okay. Not only stores the std vector does not only stores elements, it also stores the size of the vector. Because it's std. That's not a bannable word. um the vector size and then the vector elements. Okay. The size functions return the number of elements in the vector. For example, suppose we have an std string vector with Sony's grocery list. std string vector, string vector with Sonny's. Damn it, grocery list. Shut up, Deca. I can hear it in your head. So am I. Got mold growing in me. It's because I'm got sick and I've got freaking mold growing now. Mold growing. The string it in. Barely. Yeah, barely. Focus. Quit getting distracted. Yo, mama. The string at index 0 is hot pepper jam. That's this one. String at 1 is dragon fruit. And 2 is Brussels sprout. STD see out grocery size and will return 3. STD see out. Grocery pushback. Just this is to add a few more. Don't forget to cap them. So like the end tag. Well, bam. What did I do wrong? Oh, I put SRD. STD. I was like, what did I do wrong? Okay, cool. Huh? What'd you set your weekly target? Well, I guess you set it for 3 times a week out of a week. Mine's set to 5, I think, or 4. Well, that's because some kid won't stay focused and goes off to La La Land. You know exactly what I mean. I don't know. I'd assume it'd be pull. Hit the cheat sheet down at the bottom and take a look. Pop back. Not pop back. Why don't? Well, what's the point? Wait, type kid. Why? What's the point of using the dot pushback or pop back when you can just add it into the list? Like on that last scenario, why didn't we just add them in the top? Why do we have to use dot pushback? Pushback. And that's pushback. Yes. Well, yeah, I mean it does. Yes. Makes sense. Okay. So go ahead with the next one. Maybe we'll lose where it is and we gotta add it to this. Let's just do it at the very bottom. Yeah, exactly. I'm aware, kid. Huh? Yes. Does it say to do it 3 times? Okay. No. No. Uh-huh. Hold on, you're a little tiny delay. Yes, 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 yes. Uh-huh. Okay. A little, yeah, and yes, it's just confusing. But yes, no, I understand the basics of it. What'd you say, Dega? Yes, I'm in review. I'm taking a screenshot of it. Sorry. Putting it, I have a file for screenshots of the reviews and all that. Just so if I ever need to go back to it. Huh? Cheat sheet? No, I hit view solution and then replace mine. That's not cheating. I couldn't figure it out. Literally, it was exactly correct. They were just in the wrong spots. From what I could tell, it looked like it was 100% correct. It was just in the wrong spots. Like there was the only view solution thing there that was there was gaps in the code. And it was saying it was wrong because of the gaps. I call BS. The code's gonna work the same either way. It is. Oh, I'm sorry. What are you learning C++ for? And are you a CS major? No, I know very little coding. I know HTML and CSS. But we're learning C++ for Game Studio. We want to start developing indie games. Yes. Sorry, I don't know how long ago you posted that. I just saw it. Anyway, on to past review. Yes. Let me optional. Write a program to find the sum. Are you going to do the optional program or you want to go to the next page? Next page. Vector. Mean. We didn't even touch. Oh, wait. Hmm. Because you're in the way. The functions below does not change the vector it's called on. Hey kid, you're ahead of me. You're ahead of me. I got a quiz. Find the bug. What's incorrect with the program? Mm-hmm. Too edgy? There, I post screen sharing if you want to look at the quiz with me. Where's the vector? Push. No, that's not it. Bruh. Nice. Ah, okay, that makes sense. Oh, right. Adding, oh, this is the one I just had. Adding strings. Sure. Functions do not change the size. What should go in the blank? This. Yes. What would the output be for a program like this? Teams one. Wait, that's high. Huh? Highest one in the. Oh, damn it. Fudge. Forgot it counts it as 0, not 1. Size. And sure. And we will, my boy. Wild whale talk. Take a phrase like turpentine and turtles and translate it into whale talk. Built the song slowly. Goes. Well, yeah, you have to reinforce what you've done to or what you've learned to keep it in your head. Green. Vector. Mm. Dick, I wish you had pro on this because it delays me being up with you because I have extra things to do. The the comments there. Not dumb, but I need to make those punny jokes. First things first, you need to input strings with the program to translate declare an std string. Okay. And initialize it with turpentine. Input. What did you say, Deck? Enter. Or anything you like. Oh, we need to extract it from the input variable, create a char vector vowels and give it the value of a U whale select the zero vowel. What, this quiz for this objective? Oh, that ability. No, but I could, I made the connection no because of what you said it was. No, it's char. Why dot pushback when I could just whatever? I don't want you in. Is it? Yeah. Or I could. Oh, damn it! Yeah, this is how I would have preferred to do it. So. Uh, is that multiplayer? Oops. Uh, no. Charizard? Yeah. This will serve as a place to store the vowels from the input string. Translate. So this. Now we have the input string. As a place to store the resulting jars. Let's think about the logic for a minute. We want a loop through the input. Shut up, kid! We want to loop through the input string and check if each of the characters is first write a for loop, but here it. Okay, for loops confuse me. I'm gonna have to look up some research outside of it. For I equal 0. I then is the size. Yeah, a bit. I but this is saying the size. One, two, three. Uh-huh. Nested. Where did my chat go? I don't know. Not showing what was said before. Damn it. Oh well. Da, 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 da. Vowel check of each character is a vowel. We will have to compare each of the characters with each of the vowels. We need another loop inside your current for loop. Another for loop. So inside. Oh, all we need. I don't think I cap it if I'm doing this. Use a different counter variable for j under vowels. It's j plus plus j. I keep going with you. Thank you. I'm still learning C++. Why don't you buy it for the month and then we just binge it? Buy a month of it and then just binge it. Bruh. but thank you. I appreciate that, chatter. I'm not sure how to, I don't even want to try to botch your name. I'm sorry. So now that you've nested the loop, compare each of your characters to each vowels, right? If statement. They're equal. I hate that I have to use the hint for everything. Or I or J. Oh, another message. If put Kareem, hopefully Kareem, that sounds good. I think I'm saying that properly. Can you change the style of the website to install extension Dark Reader? I've never heard of that extension. But I think Opera can install anything Google Chrome can. No, kid, shut up. He's saying that there's an extension called Dark Reader to help your eyes with like a dark light filter for coders. Shut up. We should install random things. But no, I think it can install anything that a Chrome web store can. So I'm assuming this is what you're talking about. Great start. Off to a great start. If there's a gap between all these, I don't know if that matters. So assuming it does. No, because that separated it. Oh no, it didn't. It's still. Yeah, okay. We're still good. Input and input to I equal vowels. Inputs to J. How long have I been studying C++? I'd say about a week. Probably not even, because we've only, so this course, I believe we're at 50% of it, and it takes 10 hours. So we've been doing it for about 5 hours. But done some off this course research as well. And my friend has studied Java and Python more, so he's more attuned to coding than I am. But I know some HTML and CSS. Yes, he helped. Thanks. If input else. But we want to start developing, being an indie developer for games, and so here we are. That's why we're doing C++. Well, you think so? Oh yeah, the pirate software guy. Push. What? I Nice. I feel like I didn't do this right. 4 if result. Oh, maybe I did do it right. Check your work. Wait for another 4. Check your work. Wait for another for loop that goes through the result vector and outputs each element. Or okay, hold on. Cool. Yeah. Do you know? Have you studied C++? I'm assuming since you're in this thread of streamers, I guess. I don't know what YouTube does. I don't stream on YouTube too often. I stream on YouTube and Twitch. What is how I say this? How in the know are you? How much have you studied coding? Yes, how knowledgeable. There you go. That's the right word, knowledgeable. Shut up. Name nested. Yes, I did that one. Okay. Now you have nested loop where you compare each other. And you're doing the mukbangs. Oh, this is literally what I did. Check. Oh, here. No, yeah, we did 7. We're on 8. Yeah. And I don't think this is supposed to be nested. So here we do a 4 equal 0. I studied when I learned front end. I was doing that one too, actually. I'm gonna copy this just in case. I think I'm nowhere near done on it, but this one has front end development too. I'm at 10% on it. I finished the HTML and CSS course, like basic beginner courses, and then I think it was teaching me command line. And then yeah, they were like, well, we need C++, not these for game dev. And I was like, well, I could just break off of full stack because I wanted to learn full stack to have that as the background and then go from there over here. But yeah, it's not the same though. I like building it myself. I have yeah, I could show you the one I started to build for my fiance. If I can find it. Not coding. Just alright. website projects. Aha. Yes. It's still very rough, but this is what I've done so far as doing my own HTML, CSS coding. I was also learning some JavaScript for it as well, but not too. Oh, that's not right. Not too crazy, but the basics, I guess, make it look pretty nice. Go back to C++. Okay. Yeah, this kept everything so far. Okay. What? Results dot size. Oop. Okay. Oop. Oh, your game. STD, see out. Only something I know. Result. Shut up. You're an idiot. To be fair, out of context, that did not sound very well. Go back to start C++. What are you doing wrong? Learn. Yeah, that's all it is. Just the grind. Thankfully, Deca, my friend, is helping me with it. It's keeping me focused when he can stay focused, at least. So it's a little bit. It said so. G plus whale dot cpp whale. Huh? No such file. Terminated. What did I IO? What? Oh. Oh. Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah. All right, I see 9 here. Vowels. See, char vowels plus. Ah. Huh. Gotcha. And that should take care of that one. We start afresh here. Okay. Then let's see, 9, 13. Just for to get the comma. Yes. The 13 is also. Let's be qualified ID before 4. 4. Or maybe it's just cascading. No, it's a couple things here. Int 15 or int j 0 vowels. Am I supposed to cap this? I guess Well, if I cap it, I don't know if that's gonna be red in there. Wrong one, sorry. This one. I don't. Where is it? Nested loops here. Yeah, because it's not capped here. I will come back to it. Let's see. Results. Did I misspell it? Results. Those are declared for the scope. Huh? J. Or J? Let J equal 0. Capped. I don't have any lets. 4, let's say 4. 4 J equal 0 capped. Oh. Okay. Okay, I see. Thank you. It was not declared in the scope. 19. Oh, it was not declared in the scope. Did I do it again? Oh, it's capital. Put it as capital. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're marked it down quite a bit. So 17, J was not declared in the scope. J was not declared. Let's see here. Where was that at? J. If. Oh, sorry, hold on. No is this. If. Which line are you talking about? Because I thought I was supposed to use both. The this icon and this icon. Kid, shut up. You're not wrong, but still. Where was I? 17, right? 17. It's right here. If input I equal input I equal. Did I skip a step? I think I skipped a step. I think I did. No, check your work. That's the next step. I don't think I skipped a step. I think if input I j push fit 17 and 20. Is okay, in 17 and 20, change this to this. 17. Okay. 17. For these ones or for I? Okay, I push fit like that. 17 like if. Yeah, 17 if. Or are you talking about these ones? Let's see. No. Okay. I'm gonna reverse that back. Well, if I'm changing these. Dick, are you looking at my stream? Like a Discord stream? Can you look at the Discord stream? Yes. So you can see in real time. Bruh. Hit pause. You're capping. That's a solo game. There's no multiplayer. You can't pause. Are you looking then? Well then look. Because I'm not understanding the errors here. Oh, did I put a no? Result was not declared in the scope. Suggested alternative. No. Int K, int K. Result. No, we just started. I'm not a quitter. I'll figure this out. What are you saying? What line, Deca? So I'm down to 3 errors now. Error j is not declared in the scope. Input I equal val j. This one? This one? Oh. I don't know. I equal 0. I equal 0. Here? If input. All right, hold on. I'm gonna rerun the bash. Okay, so it wants me to make a conversion for English to turn it into whale words. Yeah, I get, I know it's kind of, but still, it wants to be able to convert. No, I equal me too. I can't find the error on the screen. It's not too clear. It's not here. I can alt, no, alt plus. There. I can zoom in a little bit. Maybe that'll help. That's 50% more. So it's saying, okay, so it's from 17 down. Here. For the error is the I. So for what? For int I plus the error is the I. What did you say, Deca? What do you mean stapling? I don't know what you're saying. What? Here? What about it? It's saying the error is on line 17 and up. So this shouldn't be the issue. Ah, ha ha ha. Results, not result. Yes. So now, we only have 2 errors. 17. I don't know. I might have put results. It's the same thing either way. I just I might have put results on myself. Nice. Results not defined. Yes. It's because I put results in the int, but not a result. But now we have 17, which is J was not declared in this scope. And we have 29 error. This was not expected at the end. What's this? I guess there might be. There was an extra beginning. I'm sure there's an extra end. Hold on. Oh no, that created more issues. Let me put that back. This one? Needs this. Here? And an end bracket? Just like that. Okay. Okay, let's see. $27. That's this bottom one. It's connected up here. This one? It did not specify. That's this one here. It says check your work, write another for loop that goes through the result vector and outputs each of the element. The output should look something like this. So it is supposed to be nested in this. This one? All of these are inside, yes. Yes, all these are nested right here. Yes. Yes, this is how it wanted me to write it. Correct. Oh. But so this bottom one is supposed to be in it. I wasn't sure of that because it doesn't say. Okay, let's see. That did not fix it. Same thing, expected. Error expected this at the end of input. Scroll up, please. How far? Oh. So I need to. Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, flip. I closed it. Okay. I see. I see. I think. Yes. Because the main integer. The chat went away. Give me 1 second as well, because I completely closed everything out. Zoom in. And the next is arrays as well. Okay. So very end. here, back to go out of it, and then up, up. Yes. G plus plus whale dot cp 0 whale, title it, and no errors occurred. Let's run it. Oh, no space. Okay. A bunch of shenanigans. Yes, okay, cool. Okay, and if I do this, it'll add an end line, correct? Each letter. Ooh. Okay, well that isn't. How did? There's one. Okay. There. Okay. Whatever. I don't want to mess with the spacing anymore then. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. You both helped me on that quite a bit actually. So that's more your guys' win. Anyway, ease and use whales double ease and use in their language. Written if did I do 9? No, I did not. Write an if statement that checks if each letter in the input string is equal to E. If so, push back input I to the result. No, the statement belongs after the inner for loop. Was still inside the outer loop. I want to perform this check once every letter. So to push the E's second time, create the condition right here. It wants it on the outer, so continued or 4? I'm just gonna continue, put it on the next line and see if that affects it at all. If input I equals no wrong, it's this one. I don't know if that matters in C++, but follow the long way it's supposed to be. Input. Okay. I equal. Yeah, prior programming knowledge. No, not really. Not other than this HTML and CSS, but that's not really. It's developing, I guess, but not programming. No. Yeah, C++ and HTML was easy. This is not. It's... Okay. And then that's an end cap. Where did this start? Oh, stupid sticky keys. So this is supposed to be nested into something because there's an end cap here. Or unless this is just supposed to be the end cap for this. That might be it. Oh no, it's right here. I'm blind. Okay. E S, because I made it as S. Dot put back input I in cap. Let's see if I input. Okay, I was not declared in the scope on 29. So you're doing great so far. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. I don't feel like I am. When it comes to for loops and stuff like that, it seems like I'm kind of just following the hint, and I don't like that. I'm just following the hint. I want to be able to do this without the hint, but I know that I can't. But I'm getting there. Kristen, thank you. I appreciate it. You can zoom out a little bit. Yeah, sorry. I had it zoomed in because we were having issues and somebody in my chat was helping me and he needed me to zoom in a little bit. I can zoom out now that we're not. There. This is back to normal. There, oh no, I said it, but there was a bunch of errors. Okay, so now we only have one error and it is I was not declared in the scope if input I and I equal no, if I equal you, I equal result for the pushback. How are you doing today? Happy New Year's Eve. No, go away. If, but I was. This is literally 1-to-1. So I'm confused. I here was working fine, but I here isn't. What? So there's no such variable called I. If you check your for loops in one of them, you declared it. Yeah, this is all of my. That's why I'm confused about it. It's saying I didn't declare it here. Is it not? Am I being dumb? Oh, it's not in the right location. It needs to be nested with these. This end caps here. Here. Aha. Yes, that's what it was. Thank you. I didn't have it in the right spot. Which made sense because if I had it copied here, it should be fine. Run the program to confirm if your input string is Turpentine Turtles. The whale should read this. I don't know if it's supposed to give this many characters. Okay, I feel like I did something here wrong because it's giving me a lot of characters and it's only supposed to be this to this. Oh, lost connection. What happened here? Opera GX Skull. What, you don't like Opera GX? I've been using it. I'm enjoying it. I think Deca just uses Chrome. No. Yes. Yeah, you just use Chrome. I disagree. Chrome, not master race. Well, that's CPP. So minus O whale missing why oh got it. Yes. So. It definitely shrunk. It didn't give us the right matching output, but it definitely shrunk. Good enough. Next page. I'm on to arrays. Is that what you're on, Deca? It's a blue background. Okay, I'll read it while you go through your round. Arrays, like vectors, the array is a data structure. Like vectors, the array is a data structure used in C++ to store a sequential collection of elements. Unlike vectors, its size cannot be changed, so it wouldn't be able to be pushed back and to add something to it. Being able to store multiple pieces of related information in the same structure is very useful when writing C++ programs. One way we can do that is by using the vectors. Have you tried Learn CPP website? I have not. I have not. The only thing I've used so far is Codecademy. Literally learncpp.com. What was, someone gave me an extension I was going to check out actually for coding. Over here. Dark reader, so we'll keep that there. Add an ad that won't go away. Bruh, I already have Max. Why you no leave? Interesting. I'll pull this up later on when I can check it out. Where was I? Multiple pieces and programs we can be using vectors. Vectors are a modern approach to handling information, but C++ also inherits a more low-level means of doing this from its parent language C, called arrays. An ad blocker is a must. Yeah, I should probably get one of those too. Arrays. Arrays of C++ is similar to vectors in the way that they allow us to store groups of information. However, arrays are ultimately lower level constructs and require some work on the part of the user. Arrays versus vectors. If you've used C++ vectors in the past, you may be wondering what exactly the difference. I feel like it's just repeating itself at this point. As mentioned earlier, arrays are inherited from C and C++'s parents language. They are a low-level data structure. Vectors are originally from arrays. Developers basically wrote code to enhance them to make them more flexible. Therefore, you can think of vectors as super arrays. creating an array. In creating an array, you have to keep two pieces of information in mind: the type of data you want to store inside it, how many items you want it to be able to hold, its size. We can create an array. Are you back on Codecademy yet, Deca? We can create an array. We create normal variables by specifying the data type. For instance, int favorite nums 4, and then 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Wouldn't that? I thought it. Yeah. Okay, there we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it would be able to be 5. The link in the description is misspelled. Last A should be an E. Link in what description? My description? I have a description. Good. 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 Enemy. I'm not sure which link you're talking about. I have a few links in my description. Codecademy link is spelled. Okay. Let me see. I see. Thank you. I'm gonna fix that over on Twitch as well. And YouTube. Fix it on Restream. I'm not sure if it's fixed on YouTube while I edit. Like, I don't know if I can edit it through Restream. So let me go over to my YouTube channel. I'm not sure if yeah. Voice. Good cat. Demi. Okay, so you can edit it through Restream. Cool. Thank you. I got it fixed now. Where did we leave out? Arrays. The size of it, correct. Oh, that is true. That makes sense. Okay. Next page. An ad blocker is Kristen, what ad blocker would you recommend? Becca, do you have an ad blocker? I'm sure you do. What do you need? Huh? Ad block plus. Well, look that up as well. I'll move this over here that way I can put these things open. Okay. And then this comes back up so I can read the chat again. Okay. You want to take this next page, Deca? Functions? Since it's the one you were waiting for. Make sandwich. Okay, go ahead. Real quick, if you guys have any issues with his audio levels, let me know so I can fix it, because we both kind of cover each spot here and there. Adblocker Ultimate, but it doesn't matter. They're all the same. Okay, then I'll get one of them. Why? Why are you so? Clear out Cudo C++ is kind of tricky, but if you got it, you better understand your school computers. Thank you, Kristen. I appreciate you stopping by and saying hi and the help. Thank you. And Happy New Year's. Sorry. Go ahead, Deca. Oh. It takes a look at the IT support. Compile, execute. Maybe try turning it on and back off. They got jokes. They got memes in this. C++ plus main.cp. When I was doing my computer support class, like when my 6-month course that I took a while back, they showed me audio recording for a help desk, and this dude literally, like, it was a legit audio recording. They called and asked for help as to reasoning. Like, the reasoning they called was because the mouse wouldn't reach the other side of the screen because the guy wouldn't lift up the mouse to move it over to continue on the screen. He said his mouse pad ran out of room, so he didn't know how to move his mouse more. It was a legit audio recording too. I was like, oh my gosh, that's terrible. cp/o main, and then // main. Yeah, legit. Hello, IT. Have you tried turning it off and back on again? Yes. Oh, hi, Jen. Hello, IT. Have you tried turning it off back on? I didn't say my name was Jen. I said yes. Okay, no, I haven't. Oh, I hit no and then it shut off. So, that's because those are all the ones that are coded in here. It doesn't even have the. Oh no, it does have the hijack. Next. What? You didn't finish it? Yeah, it's because you didn't. Well, no, I did. I did /main to get mine to run the program, and it worked fine. Like for you, it would have been /m because you said you made it into M. I made mine into main, and it worked fine. No, mine worked just fine. It's because you tried to. It's because you did the shortcut, but you did it too short and just did an M instead of main. I don't think we've ever used that here. I've used a couple different ones. I don't think I've used CMath. 3 is the square root of 9, duh. Main rand. Dead of main or in main? Module operator to generate a random number between 0 and your favorite number. For example, rand. Right. Oh no, inside of the main, not instead. I'm freaking. I can't read. Call rand with the module operator to generate a random number between 0 and percent. Between 8 and 20. Yes, correct. And then assigning the result variable for a new int variable called the amazing random number. Print. Okay. std out. Amazing random number. Okay, and then I have to create the amazing random number by int, yes. Int. No, hold on. I'm slower than you. Yes, I'm aware. And no, I did it backwards. What? No, like I started with the STDC out because I knew that one, and then I started doing the one I wasn't sure of above it. I did it backwards. Well, yes, but I wrote it backwards, and either way, it's going to come out the same. I just should probably write it in order. Aha! What? Oh, if I wrote it backwards, yes, I wrote it correctly, but I did it backwards. The script is proper, int and then the std out, but I wrote it backwards. I went to the bottom of the page, wrote std out, and then went to the middle of it and put int above it. So I got it written properly. I just did it backwards because me. All right. You want to do? Are you gonna do all of this ones, or you want to take turns, or how you want to do this? Bro, you don't need to be on Brotato. Okay, okay. Go ahead. A boring sandwich? Bro, I wouldn't even put the avocado. Ew. I put bacon. But that's say I'm replacing avocado for bacon. It's the same thing. How did they return bacon? All that is flavor. I wish they gave us a full look at it though. Void make sandwich. So void is for functions. Yeah, I was gonna I was gonna say dragon too. And void. Wild. What? The highest as the lowest form. The um, above me when std cout. Then call your function. Do you just type in the function or do you type void function to call it? With parenthesis? The two C's, right? I'm sorry, I just saw this. Writing my first program in C and trying to fix one bug for a couple hours. That sucks. What? Just function. Just yeah. Yeah, no, I was doing an objective on this earlier, and it was giving me a bunch of bugs. I was having to troubleshoot them. Why won't you? Damn, I'm putting the wrong one. So no. Also want to define function above. So that has to be in it. Second. Oh, I didn't put an end. That I'm dumb. Yeah, no. No? No. I'm confused. Is Oscar Wilde quote defined? I did. It didn't. Yes. Function is declared wrong. This? What do you mean? Because that's what it did. Like, I'm so confused. Bruh, this is what you said. What do you mean? You're saying make it the same isn't explaining anything. thought you said to delete it. Okay. Yes, okay. I understand my mistake. Thank you very much. Thank you, Brian. Okay, I understand now. I understand my mistake. Thank you, Deca. There, that looks better. Thank you, Robert. We don't gotta talk about what just happened. Let's just move on, okay? It's side of mate. What? Why is it telling me? I did. What? I ran it 3 times properly because I ran it with the period on the wrong side of the line, and then I reran it and it didn't read that. I guess I don't know. This didn't happen. We're moving on. Next page. Next. Shut up. Return types beyond the void. When you do, in fact, want your function to return something and pass information back to the rest of your program, C++ has you covered. Just like there are many variable types, there are many different return types for functions. A function can return most data types we've covered, including double, int, bool, char, std string, and vectors. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Uh-huh. Oh, Robert, you said that you were working on your first C project. Was it a game, or if you want to? I mean, I don't know if you want to say, but it's curious because we looked at looking at C as well, but we decided C++ is going to be what we're gonna base our main programs out of. Continuing. Yes, sorry. No. The return statement is the last line of code that a function will execute. For example, std string titled always blue, return blue exclamation point. If no, return blue. Wait. Return statement, last line of code. Uh-huh. Oh, I see. Okay. So return's always going to be at the bottom of main? Okay. Function main. I didn't say that. Well, you're not streaming yours. I guess I can go to your Twitch. Oh, hold on. I'm trying to recreate a human resource machine game. Interesting. And how long have you been doing C? And how different is it from C++? Because I know C was obviously the basis before they made C++, and they built off of that to make it a little more easier, I think is what they said. I don't remember. Look, I just got into your chat. I agree with Reductor. Yeah. ZT. To be nested properly, yes. Nesting matter. That I agree with. Just saying, you look at it. Look at it. That doesn't. Ace Dakota and bruh. You got Deca had said he did Java before, and he also did Python. He's done both of those. But no, I for programming, C++ is the first thing I got into. That's right now. We started about a week ago, but we keep going in and out of it. We started C++ about a week ago, wasn't it? Nesting, yes. Reductor said, okay, I don't know about that, but I was talking about the spacing. What was I saying? Oh, we're almost done with it too. This is a 10-hour course for this Learn C++ on Codecademy. So we're a little over halfway. So we've probably been coding C++ for about 6 hours. But we also been doing like practicing bit art and other things that we kind of need to do and learn how to do. So I'd say about a week. We've been doing it for about a week. You could also probably use Chat GBT to find the issue, because I know you said you were. Sorry, 1 second. I know you. Sorry, I just deafened on Discord. I know you said that you've been trying to fix a bug for the last couple hours. You could probably use Chat GBT, just input your code and see if it could find the thing for you. But that doesn't really help you study it, I guess. But in real world applications, I'm sure people use ChatGPT all the time. I don't know. It's just an idea. Anyway, we're currently printing support at the end of the function body. Move that print statement instead. Turn type, function name, function body. We're currently printing support at the end of the function. No, instead of main, make sure you print the results. Following line, print the function. Well, it would be. You could just Control Z. Yes. Needs. Am I being dumb again? See out. No, yeah, see out. Some function. It would be needs IT support. What's different here? I didn't put return. No. Oh, capital. Bruh. Change and return support. I gotta practice this so much. I'm so. Game development or just for fun? Game development. We're gonna be doing. I should put it in the title actually, because he has it in his. We're gonna start up our own indie. That's the plan, at least, to start up our own indie game development studio. We could do some games of our own. We don't have any huge like objective as far as game wise go in mind. But we're gonna do some like small games we can throw up on the Steam and see how they do, get better at it, and progress further. You know how it is. Start small, take the feedback in, get better, make better. Are you talking with SB? What's SB? No. Someone, Robert in my chat said, "Are you talking with SB?" I don't know what SB is. I'm talking about my friend over Discord. Yes. Did you finish this this test or instructions? Imagine imagine making mistakes. Couldn't be me. I'm on the next page waiting for you. Somebody. Can you not hear him? Can you not hear? You should be able to hear him. That sucks. Hold on. Let me fix that. I literally asked people earlier and they didn't say anything, but nah. But they didn't say, "Oh, I can't hear him." So you guys have just been sitting here listening to silence while I was listening to him talk.
Oh man, that's funny.
Okay, that should fix it. Let me know if he's too loud. He shouldn't be. Damn. Wonder why you were talking to yourself. Yeah, I got the voices in my head, you know.
Everyone just unsubscribe from Ben9116 while you have the chance. Thank you.
Let's not do that. Thank you. I've been hard stuck in my hard stuck in my 980 for like months, and I have uploaded. I don't know. Anyway, you want to read the next page, Deca? Since they couldn't hear your beautiful voice till now.
Well, yeah, Ben's issue was that his brackets were definitely in the wrong spot.
Shut up, kid. We're moving on past that.
Well, that's why I thought spacing mattered, but it was literally just because like you had them so wrong that.
Yes, I'm aware.
Although I do like having spaces here and here, and right here. Yeah, visually that looks good.
Are you on the next page yet?
No. We're currently printing support at the end of the function body.
Hurry up. I'm waiting.
Yes.
He's okay. Okay. That's good. I got about an hour and a half more, 2 hours of studying left before I have to go pick up my fiance, Dicka. The missus. So hurry up.
Who are you?
I hate you. Got any New Year's Eve plans, Robert? Me and my family. I'm gonna barbecue
what is
after I go pick up my fiance.
Where?
I'm trying to make her dad's barbecue recipe, so we'll see how that goes.
Not miss anything.
But we thought we'd get some studying in beforehand, since we weren't able to yesterday.
Wait, what? Sorry, what?
Oh, so you're messing up too, I see, huh? Aha.
Round return? I don't have brackets. Yeah, I didn't have brackets, but then it said it was wrong, so it's like, does it need brackets? Yeah. And then it didn't, but now it's
ads. What? Like, why you got ads on your YouTube or your Twitch?
Because Twitch is just like that.
Stop it.
I'm confused as to what's wrong here.
Your print function.
Huh?
Your bottom, the where it says change the following line to print the function.
Yeah.
You gotta see out it.
Wait. Oh. Oh, I didn't even read that. God damn it. God damn it. I was like, this code is correct. There's no errors.
SB is used as a shortcut of somebody in your English textbook. Oh. It's used in chat. I haven't heard it in chat, but it might be.
None.
I thought it was like short for a program or something. Like if
You got
FB
Brotato
for
in the
Facebook.
background still. Look, there's a statue above my head.
That's what I had thought you were. You were like using a certain program to talk to him, but you couldn't hear him at all. So
Agua fresca. Actually, it's a few days old, but technically, it's probably
you're on how return values work, Deca?
a couple million years old. Huh?
You're on how return values work now?
Return values? Yes. Parameters and arguments.
Okay, go ahead.
Returning data is all well and good. But let's say you're visiting New York City. And
Wait,
you've been told that New
that
Yorkers
is
usually...
not... No, that's not where I'm at. What?
What?
I'm on a different...
I skipped the how return values work page because it
Bruh.
always... My bad. When functions have a return type other than void, the function has two new requirements. There must be a value returned from the function, and the return value must be the same type as the function's return type. But where does the return value get returned to? It gets returned to the place where the function is called. For example, if you have the following function, std string feed the cat, return cat is fed, and then print the function call inside of main function. So string cat message equal feed the cat function. So you're calling on cat is fed, and then cout cat underscore message. So cat message is equal to the function, and then you're returning cat is fed. So now cat message is equal to cat is fed. So when you cout cat message, it says cat is fed. Understood?
Yes. Definitely did not get distracted.
Mother. I'm gonna staple my hand because of you. Oh, I can't do that on Twitch.
And then print main. If you can't see out cat message.
Are you ready for the next part?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Oh,
What could I have
my
missed?
uncle's calling me.
I'll read the next one then. Parameters and arguments. Returning data is all well and good, but let's say you're visiting NYC and you've been told that New Yorkers usually add a 20% tip for restaurants and taxis. It would be really convenient if you could just build a function that accepted different prices as inputs and figured out how much you should tip. That could be a pretty simple phone app to make. Where he just sets I'm sure it already exists, but I mean, hey, as it happens, you can do that with parameters. Parameters, sometimes called formal parameters, are variables used in functions definitions. In a function's definition, they act as placeholders for the input values you'll be using during your function call. Parameter int num, so 5. Int do something is the parameter here, and then this int number. Stuff happens. So do something. 5 is the argument. In the function below, price is the function's parameter, and it's a double. It is declared between the parentheses and then used in the body of the function. Function below, price is the function's parameter. Price, yes. It's a double. It is declared between the parentheses and then used in the body of the function. Then when you're ready to use your function, the value you pass to the function is called an argument. also known as an actual parameter, in this case 1535, argument that is passed to the function. Double is the type, so instead of int it's double, and then tip equal get tip. Double price. What is this? You work with the emergency. Oh, okay. You work with the emergency services of Britain, and the emergency number just changed. The It Crowd, Series 1, Episode 2. What is this? Yikes, it's a big change. What if the number changes again? Let's build a function that prints out the current emergency number, whatever it is from now on.
Has this ever happened to you?
What is this? I shouldn't have laughed at that.
From today, dialing 999 won't get you the emergency services. And that's not the only thing that's changing. Nicer ambulances, faster response times, and better-looking drivers mean they're not just the emergency services, they're your emergency services. So, remember the new number. That's...
What is this?
Hello. I've had a bit of a tumble.
Well, that's easy to remember. 0118 999 88199 9119 7253.
Okay. Well, that was an interesting video. You work with an emergency services in Britain, the emergency number just changed. So let's build a function that prints out the current emergency number, whatever it is from now on. Above main, define a void function, get emergency. Void get emergency number. Okay. That accepts one parameter, a string with the name. But in main, above main, define a void function, get emergency number here, that accepts one parameter, a string with the name emergency. So it would be just emergency number? Or do I need to put string? Void, get emergency number. STD. STD string. STD string. Dinky dinky. Where does that need to be in the parentheses? Otherwise, STD string, and then emergency number. I just don't know if it needs to be in the parentheses. Let me try that. Ah. Yes, thank you, Tony. I appreciate you. How are you doing today? Happy New Year's Eve. 2 in get emergency. Let me fix this here because I don't need anything in the end of this. And get the emergency number. That's okay. That is here. So I do need this. Print out dial with the emergency number that was passed onto the function. So that would be that? No. Let's see. Yeah. Dial. And then the okay. No, it says dial on it. Base emergency number. Bam. There we go. Okay, cool. Then 3, call get emergency number in main to see the number get printed. Emergency number, call it. So then it would be STD, out, new underscore emergency underscore number. That. Well, it gave me the number. Call get. So it gave it to me, just not in the way they wanted me to get it. Let us see out. They wanted me to put get. They wanted me to use the function that I just made, obviously, because, you know, why wouldn't they? I'm an idiot. Get emergency number. And then it's not this. This.
I'm also late. I have no idea how. But I also ended my stream. Just because I it's on the phone. But I don't for quite a minute.
There we go.
I had to.
You didn't have to end your stream. I was
the
talking.
Parameters and arguments. Did you do that yet, or?
I did the parameter and arguments just now. I just finished it. Did you do it?
No.
Oh wait. Did you watch that video?
Which video?
There's a video in the instructions. You should watch that video. Hey. Are you gonna restart streaming again?
No, just I mean, it's not like we're gonna be doing this for too much longer.
Well, I got another 2 hours.
Oh.
Lori gets out. I have literally exactly 2 hours. Lori gets out at 6:45, so I have to go leave here in exactly 2 hours to make sure I get there at time. Is Codecademy free? They do have a free version. Deca's using the free version. So to give you an idea of the differences, the paid version, which is what I have, has objectives or projects, I guess.
Multiple projects that you do after each session or each
Correct.
set.
So it's going to, if you pay for it, it's going to give you the lesson, and then it's going to give you a quiz, and then it's going to give you a project. If you do it without it, you're just going to get the lessons. It's not going to help you reinforce your knowledge, which you don't really need to, because you could always do that yourself with some random ones.
You want to pay for it, and the reason it has the objectives and the quizzes is because when you pay for it and you do the objectives and the quizzes at the end, you get a certification. You don't get that on the free version.
Correct. That is the other thing, is that like if I go to my profile here and then go to my certifications, you can see I finished the Learn HTML, the Learn CSS. If Deca went and finished these courses, he would not get the certificate until he paid for it. So that's the major difference. You can do it free. There is plenty of free courses on Codecademy, but not. But there's also differences whether or not you want to pay for it. But I'm trying to get him to pay for it so we can do the quizzes and projects together, because like I have all these projects here. It also, if you do these projects, they help you build like portfolios as well. So like if you go through their career center, if you wanted to get a job at something, you could set it up to show off the different projects that you have done, which is the projects that they're walking you through, like the rock paper scissors project or build a text adventure or whale talk that I did earlier. So it has its pros and cons. Premium content for free. Well, you guys don't get any of this stuff. Like, all the lessons are free. I'm just doing the quizzes and objectives, which I guess is technically sharing it for free, but you guys don't get any of the, like, me doing it doesn't give you the certification, you know? There's no, I don't think there's an issue with it.
You're like, huh.
Technically, there could be, I guess, but I don't see why them being like, oh, you're not allowed to show them this objective.
You streamed it.
How dare you show them this objective? Meanwhile, you can go to a thread on Kick that's literally nothing but pirated content, like movies and TV shows. Anyway, Deca, did you finish your objective yet?
You know, I turned into a potato and started shooting aliens.
Bruh, I'm literally waiting for you, kid. We got 2 more hours. We're almost done.
Okay. Let me kill these aliens.
Frick, stop playing. You haven't even played the game I bought you for Christmas.
Because we've been coding this whole
That's
time.
beside the point. You could have done it yesterday, but you didn't get on.
No, you didn't get on.
I did. And you're like, I'll be on in 30 minutes. So you're like, no, I'm not gonna get on.
No, you.
You give me headaches sometimes.
I love you too.
No, you don't. You do not. Well, I don't want to continue without you, kid.
Okay. I am continuing on. Above main define void function, get emergency number. Oh fuck. My controller was on my spacebar. That looks really ugly in the code.
What, a bunch of spaces?
Yeah. Okay.
Void function. Name
Void
X
get
two parameters.
Oh, so it routes the number to the current emergency number. So
Maybe just otherwise one parameter. And as many as you like. But you'll have to remember the order when you
Wait.
call the function. There we have 3 parameters. Here we have 3 parameters, those two included, and call it rates first, second. Next times parameter rename. Next times 2 parameters. Sure. Son of a- Yes, it is. It's not giving me any tips. Inside the function body of the main file loop runs as long as x is greater than 0. I feel like it didn't do any of this right. Let's see, string name. You see, I did not do any of this right. They bring my dog home because I live in Europe and there's 2340, so I hear a lot of fireworks. It's freaking out so much. Yeah, I'm not looking forward. My dogs do the same thing, and they when the New Year's goes off and fireworks start hitting, everyone starts. All the dogs start freaking out, and they all get scared, and it sucks, but that's kind of what happens every year. Next time, SG string name.
okay, I'm not tackling multiple arguments.
Go ahead. Listen.
Are you on it?
Then you're on the next page, right? Tackling multiple arguments. Yeah. Done.
Hang on. You may be thinking, are you limited to just one parameter per function? Not at all. You can add as many as you'd like, but you have to remember their order when you call the function. Double, get just the tip. Double price, double tip.
Are you good? Are you done with your shenanigans? Are you not gonna read it properly?
Double the price, double the tip. Now twice the size.
Child. Wait, what do I have? What do I have too? What is this?
You can close my stream.
What do I have 2 tabs open?
You can close my deck tab.
I did, but that's all this. Okay, whatever. Why are you looking at my stream? Wow. Let's be enter here. While x 0.
I tried to just skip over the code, right? So I read the next line and it says, so here we have 3 parameters, double price, double tip.
I don't understand.
I can't read that now without it being funny.
I don't understand why you're having issues with it. This up. You suck, that guy.
What? Why you say this?
You know exactly why. You're not slick. Why is your ADHD kicking in? We were doing just fine. We were studying just fine. Do you want to stop here and do some art?
Do multiple arguments later.
Since you cannot focus.
I want to kill aliens as a potato.
Bruh.
What, you don't want to kill aliens as a potato?
No. Do you want to play a game that's 2 players?
This is if we both play like separately and.
Bruh, I tried to ask you to do that on a game and you were like, no, that's dumb. We can't do that.
Well, then, so you have no objection because you asked to do it before.
I do, because that game does not look like my kind of game. I told you that earlier.
It's roguelike. Here, I'll stream it for you.
And you inside the function of the name times create a while loop. Okay, I think I did that too. Yes. Inside the while loop, print name to the terminal. Then this will be the last one, Deca.
Oh, medical.
While loop, print name to the terminal. So it's get, or it's just no, it's just name next. It's just the function that I made. The name next times string my name comma and some number. And cap it. And your name here. Okay, cool. All right, well, since Deca is not paying attention anymore, we got at least 3 hours of studying in. I guess we're gonna have to call it a stream there. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, Robert, for hanging around.
Thank you, Ben, for streaming.
Kristen helped me earlier too, so thank that guy. I don't think he's here anymore, but thank him. You suck, Deca, for getting distracted and letting your ADHD take over. But we'll be streaming again at some point. I don't know when, because again we kind of go off of Deca's ADHD. But stay tuned for D&D uploads and maybe some Lethal Company content, since we just got that game too. And we'll see you guys in the next stream. Have a good one. Happy New Year.